So here I'm using a method where I fold a towel into fours. This was a smoker's vehicle. You can tell all the residue here. And what I'm doing is I'm treating the headliner. So what I'm gonna do is I have my towel, I'm just spraying it with my Terminator. And then what I'm doing is giving it a steam to start releasing. And then what I'm doing is, let's set this down, see if you guys can get a shot of it. Let's see if we can get a shot. Okay, I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Perfect. Okay. So what I'm doing, I have this saturated with my Terminator. So I'm steaming. As I'm steaming, I'm going to let this break down. You'll start to see the lines of where it's breaking down. Notice I'm moving. I'm not staying in one area for too long. You don't want it. Moisture and heat is your enemy. And now I'm going to go through right behind with the Terminator bag. So the steam I'm using to break down, not to remove the stains, I'm using it to break down. Then I'm going through with the saturated Terminator towel to get all that grime off. And then we'll just go through at the very end quickly with another towel, do it with the carpet bomber, and then then give it a rub down. Then at the very end we'll hit it with the finisher. So I have the bio bombs in here also, so it's helping with the smell, with the odor. So we're getting very good results. So as you can see, there's a big difference here, and it's still a little, it's a little moist. It's not wet, but it's a little moist. As it dries up, it'll lighten up as well. And we still have 2 more steps to do. We still have the carpet bomber and the finisher.